to part 2 of the M5 rebuild. I don't know if this is gonna be the last part. There might be a part 3. At the end of the video I'll tell you if this is the last part or not, but so go watch the go watch the first part. Link in the description of the whole M5 thing. You'll see the story to it and everything. So but it's not the full story. In this part I'm going to tell you guys the full story behind this M5 and why I'm shooting a video for this for my buddy. Just a disclaimer, I ain't doing no work to this. I'm not doing all the stuff going on with it, and I'm not going to say what's going on with it. You guys will see. I'm not putting any physical work. I'm not that well with cars. I know cars, but not that good. So let's get into this video, and I'll tell you guys along the way about this whole M5 too. Quick stop to the coffee shop. Get the boys some drinks, some Lotus or Red Bull Town Soda. Got the drinks. There we go. Pull up to the spot. Used to work here. Over there. The original BMW M5. So let me tell you the story behind this car real quick. Okay, so he bought this thing off an auction from San Diego, and it was a run and drive from the insurance, everything. They brought it here and this thing ran, but basically something was wrong with it. So they took the engine apart and they found out from the bottom, and they found out that there's a piston and a bunch of pieces inside the cylinder. So it was completely a setup from the insurance company or from the auction. So instead of him throwing this back on the auction because to get rid of it, he didn't want to set up anybody else up because he got really set up with this thing because they said it was a run and drive, So he decided to get work on it. It's been a year. He's been struggling to find an engine for one of these things. If you know anything about these are hard to find. They're about like, I don't know, $6-7 grand just for the engine for a M5. So he's been really looking for one, and he tried to rebuild it, but there's no point of rebuilding it because it's basically going to cost the same as buying a new engine. So he finally found a parts car for one of our friends in Missoula, Montana, which is like just 3 hours away. And we went, picked it up like you guys seen in the part 1, and then now it's here. And the second one is in there. I'll get in there here in a second. But so basically, yeah, that's the story behind it. He just didn't want to screw anybody else by throwing this back on auction, because he could have sold it as run and drive easily, but that would be screwing somebody over. So yeah, there you have it. So this is the old engine that's blown. Too bad I don't have the pictures. I might have actually pictures. I might insert them at the end of the piston if I get them. So that's one right there. That's marked right there. But yeah, it's the thing. It's not his car though. It's my other buddy's. Got some oil and some filter and power steering fluid for him at Napa. Is that what you're playing with? What? These octopus are gone. This exhaust.
Where are they? I have that one. Not bad. For on the pallet. Hey, 20 minutes and this.
Okay, so this is the stock exhaust, right?
Yep.
That's the Megan Racing. What? Say it. Megan Racing. Supreme or something? Supremo.
The name's on the tip.
Supremo. And that's the stock exhaust. He's saying there's not big of a difference, but these are bigger. Obviously, I mean that's stock. Has more cats. That's 2 cats. Is that cats? Technically.
I think. I don't know anything about Texas.
Yeah, me neither. Me neither. But how much was this exhaust online?
I don't even know.
Few G's.
Few G's probably.
Few G's. This one's stock.
Maybe like 2. Cool.
So yeah, there you go. Excited to get this thing back in the. You're gonna keep this one, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in that one. Boom, look at this thing. Out.
We got stop tensioners, we got swap all the front hoses. We got like 2 pairs of these engines. And that will be ready to go. I think fall off on tomorrow. That's what kind of procedure with the little set on the side of the way. Yes, we got procedure with the last one for his,
Look at this thing. Bunch of parts.
guess what he's doing again. So what happened in
Hey guys, so this is the end of part 2. I'm gonna do another part, and that's probably gonna be the finale of the car running, the engine back, and you know, maybe do some I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I don't want to say anything, but this is the last of part 2. Thank you for watching. Look out for part 3. Like, subscribe, and I know I didn't do much. I was just standing around being in the way, but I don't want to be in the way. I mean, I don't want to like try to help, because Mark knows what he's doing. He's helping Dre with the thing, so you know. So yeah, all right, well, thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.